Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue where your rear vents are blowing hot air. However, the front are completely fine. So this is a 4-zone climate controlled system. The rear vents, it's blowing hot air. The front are blowing cold air. This is a W219 CLS. It's same for the E-Class and CLS class. So after this fix, it'll all blow cold air. So let's get started. First off, we're going to put our hood in service mode by pressing that latch and pushing up. Now the hood will be completely vertical. And now we're going to remove those two cowls, windshield wiper arms, and the rain cover. Okay, first of all, we're going to remove the wiper arms, remove the plastic knobs that reveal the 13mm bolts. There's 3 in total. Put these somewhere safe. After that, we're going to grab our ratchet. After that, we're going to remove this cowl right here. There's a couple twist knobs. After that, you can bring it right up. Same for this side. After that, we're going to grab the arms and wiggle it. Same for the middle. Once you get the arms out of the way, we're going to grab our torque screw. Remove the 3 Torx right here. Actually, there's no Torx on this one, just a quick pop tab. Take it out, disconnect the cable. Put that somewhere safe. And after that, there's going to be 2 Phillips. One here. Which we're going to take off. Okay, so we're going to remove one of the 2 Phillips. We'll grab our panel tool, pull it out all the way. That's how it looks like. We'll do the same for the other side. Once it's loose, grab your panel popper. Like that. We sell these on our website as well, weekendgarage.com. It'll remove all your plastic trims without any damages. Okay, what you want to do next is grab this. What you want to do next is grab this rubber trim, pull it off like so. Alright, so next, after you release the screws, what you want to do is just pull up on the rubber piece. This should come right out. Pull up. So on the bottom, there's a hose We're gonna pull it off. This is for the rain, or the drain for the rain. Just turn it, connect it, and bring this whole piece out of the way. Now we're going to remove the 3 bolts that hold the wiper motor on. Second one is in this corner. Be careful not to drop them. Last one is in the middle. We're going to disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the 2 sides. Disconnect this, you just got to press on both sides. Feel it, comes right out, and now we're going to put this somewhere safe. Now we're going to grab this sheet right here, expose what we're going to try to get to, which is this right here. We're going to release these 2 clamps, and then we're going to open up this firewall to pull off this unit. Okay, now we're going to take off this firewall connector, and we're going to pull up this disconnect tab. Once it's released, we'll be able to pull this hose off. After you get this part off, we're going to work on this top hose. Okay, so once you get the pipe clamp off, go ahead and pull it off. Then after that, I'm going to pop off this quick disconnect. There's one here, and there's one on the other side facing down. If you go on the opposite side, you can pull out that lower silver hose, the silver clamp, as you can see. Now that the silver clamp is disconnected, the whole unit will shift to the right. Okay, so now we grabbed our brand new hot water control valve. Part number is listed right here. We're going to plug it in before we install it. So I'm going to plug it in right here. Should hear a click. After that, make sure the quick disconnect clamps or the locking tabs are pushed out like this. And we're going to work our way in. Line it up with the 2 holes over here. We're going to press inwards. Once you are all the way in, wiggle it left and right, up and down, and then push the locking tabs in. Make sure the top and bottom is locked in, and then you can wiggle it a little bit, make sure it's not going anywhere. And now put the top pipe in. After that, I'm going to put our grommet back on the firewall. Okay, make sure the locking tab is in the upwards position. I'm going to push this in. Alright, so the tab should line up top and bottom. After you push it in, push this locking tab down. And this is now not going anywhere. And then we'll put the firewall gasket back into place. Now that this has been installed, I'm gonna work on this clamp. Okay, so now everything's installed back together. Check your wiring. I'm gonna close it up. Back to the original position. And then we're gonna install everything backwards. Okay, so next we're gonna plug in our window wiper motor. I'm gonna put it back into position. All right, next we're gonna thread the 3 13s back in place. Always start by hand threading. Okay, so now we're gonna put the drain back into place. Make sure you connect the hose on the bottom. So the drain hose. The leather strip back. Now we're going to plug in this sensor. Now to finish up, we're going to open up the coolant cap. We're going to go in the vehicle to bleed out all the remaining air. How you do that is put your car on ignition on mode, turn up the heat. Same for the rear, we're going to turn up the heat and turn on the fan so it would cycle the coolant through the system and bleed out any remaining air. Anyways, hope this video helped you guys out. That's how you fix the rear vents blowing hot issue on the Mercedes CLS class, E-Class, and other variants in the lineup within this year. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Let me know if you guys got any questions. You can leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day.